Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to design a slab using the STAAD Pro. Just to design a slab, just click on new project. Starting from this, write down the file name. I am writing slab design. Just click on space. If you want to change the unit, you can change from here. Just click on next. We are going to add a plate. Just click on finish. Here you can see the interface where we are going to design our slab. This is the interface where we are going to design the slab. From here, if you want to change in the grid, you can change the grid from here also. So if you here you can just go and click on edit. Here we are going to design the slab on XZ plane. Just click on XZ and click on OK. From here you can just see we have the plane from here. This is the my coordinate here from the 0 0. Now here we are going to add a slab of 5 by 4. Just click on 5. From here I'm going for 4. From here you can see that the slab has been created. If we just go, you can just see the slab. After the slab design, we are going to just make some meshing over here. Just click on generate meshing, go for the quadrilateral meshing. We are going for the 3 division over here. Just click on 3 3 over all ABCD side. Just click on apply. You can see that 3 by 3 of meshing has been created over here. After creating the mesh, we are going to assign the properties like assigning the thickness, assigning the load over here. For the thickness, just click on journal. From here, just click on thickness. We are going to provide the thickness of 0.2 millimeter over here. Just click on add. Here you can see the material is concrete. Just close this. Here you can see, just click on assign to the view and click on assign. Here you can see the thickness has been assigned to the plate. If you see in 3D render view, you can see the thickness over here and all the plates which has been generated over here. Just close this. After this, we are going to assign the support. Just click on support. Just create a fixed support over here. Click on add. After just select the support, we are assigning using the cursor over here. Just click on the corners of the slab where we are going to assign the load. Here you can see that we have assigned the support over here. Just click on assign. You can see those supports which we have provided over here. After we provide the support, just click on load and definition. Here we are going to define the different load cases over here. Just click on load case detail, click on add. First we are going to select the dead load. Just write down the title of that is dead load over here. After adding the dead load, just click on live. Second load is we are going to provide is live load over here. Just click on add and close this. Select the dead load, click on add. Here we are going to assign the self weight for the structure. Just click on add and close this. Here you can select the self weight and just click on assign to view. Here you can see that the self weight of the structure has been assigned over here. Similarly in the live load, click on add. Here we are going to provide the plate load over here and the load will be minus 3 kilonewton meter square. We are going to provide this in y-axis. Just click on add and close this. When you select and assign to the view, you can see that the load has been assigned. If you zoom this structure, you can see the direction of load which is in downward direction. After assigning the loads over here, we are going to just check that the structure is fine or not. Just click on perform analysis and just run the analysis for the structure. Here you can see that the analysis has been done. Here you can see we found zero error, zero warning and zero note, but still we need to design. Now will go to the design section. Here in the design section you can just see where we have different kind of material. Like if you need to design shear wall, we are going to design aluminum using timber, concrete or steel. There are different code for here. You can see in the steel section there are multiple codes from American, Canada, British, Indian code, Mexican code. Here you can see the different codes over here. Similarly, like in concrete, you can find different countries code like Canada, Cyprus, ACI American code, Indian standard codes, all you can find here. Here we are going to design the slab for the concrete. So just go for the IS456. Here you can see I have selected the IS456. Now here we are going to select the parameters which we need to assign over here. Like we are going to give the compressive strength. Just select this parameter. We are going to give the yield strength for the main reinforcement. Just selecting those two parameters right now. Just click on OK. Just define those parameters. As here we are going to use M30. Just go for the 30,000 kilonewton per meter square. Click on add. Here you can see that we have added the FC, and similarly for the FY main FE500 we are going to use. Then just click on add and close this. Here you can see those two parameter has been added over here. Just click on this and assign to view. Click on assign. Here you can see that FC is assigning. Similarly, in similar way, FY main is going to be assigned over here. Here you can see both those parameters. Now we will go for the command. Here we do not have beam and column, so we are going to design the slab over here. Just click on add and close this. After this, just go for this and assign to the view. Now we have done with the design part. Now just save the structure and again run the analysis to see what the result is going to be here. Here you can see, just go for the output file, just click on done. Here you can see the output file. This will show you all the information which you have provided over here, which are the joint coordinates over here, which are the properties, which are thickness provided, what kind of Poisson's ratio they are using. All these things has been showing here. After the analysis, you can see which kind of code FY main design element. Here you can see the how the reinforcement is going to work over here. Has been the concrete design over here. This is the design. If you want to see the post processing for the structure, you can just click on apply and OK. Here you can see the reactions on the loads. Here you can see the displacement. If you want to see the deflection over on the structure, you can also see the deflection. If there is any deflection, you can see the deflection over here. That's it from today. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just subscribe the channel